first thing we'll be putting a little bit of oil. You can use normal oil, vegetable oil. That's it. Let the oil heat for about 20 seconds or so. Next in, we're going to put the chopped ginger and garlic. While that's cooking, we'll add in the chopped onions. All of this has to be done on a medium flame or a low flame, not on a high flame at all. Next in go the carrots. And now goes in the cabbage. We finely cut cabbage. Just about half a cabbage is enough. Let this cook on a low flame for about a minute or so, just so that the vegetables are properly cooked. They are no more raw. Now as the vegetables are almost cooked, we'll be adding in 1 cup of water. Let this boil for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium or slow flame. Okay. Now what we'll do is, we have corn flour over here, 1 tablespoon. Into the corn flour we'll be adding active fiber complex. What is active fiber complex? Active fiber complex is a mix of soluble and insoluble fiber, and it helps in digestion. It also helps in bowel regularity. It helps in easy digestion. 1 scoop of active fiber complex has 5 grams of fiber. So we'll be adding 1.5 scoop of active fiber complex into this, along with half a cup of water, and just mixing it. So this comes up to about, you can say, 7 to 8 grams of fiber that we'll be getting, along with all the amazing nutrition that is there in our soup. Our soup is high base of vitamin C, because we have lemon, we have cabbage, we have carrots, and it's also a really good soup if you have cold, if you have a cough. This soup really helps you soothe down. So now what we'll do is, we'll add in the spring onions that we have chopped up. Now as you can see, once the soup is at a boil, as you can see, we'll be adding in the corn flour and the active fiber complex mixture. What this mixture is going to do is, it's going to thicken your soup. It's also going to give you dietary fiber, as I mentioned before. And the best part of dietary fiber is, it gives you a feeling of fullness. So you can say 1 bowl of soup with probably a few, maybe grilled chicken or paneer, or maybe just this soup, 1 big bowl is enough for your meal. You can have it either for lunch, either for dinner. Also 1 bowl of this is also equivalent to maybe your healthy snack in the evening. It's an alternative. Now once you've added the corn flour and the active fiber complex mixture, we're going to just stir it well. The reason we mixed the powders before we added it in is because we don't want lumps in our soup. Once this is done, we'll just let it be at a boil on a medium flame for about 1.5 minutes. Once you get this kind of boil on a medium flame, what you do is, you turn the flame to low And now you can add in just about 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper and also 1/4 spoon or half a spoon almost of salt. Mix it well. Now to this we'll be adding juice of half a lemon. Okay, so I've been adding the juice. The main part of the soup is lemon and coriander. Coriander we'll be adding in last because we don't want the coriander to get too soggy or to get a little bit bitterness in it. That's why we'll be letting the soup cook well first. Now on a low flame you leave the soup to cook for about, you can say, just a minute more, and then we'll be adding in the coriander while we're about to serve. Now next what you do is, once you can see that the consistency is thick enough, you can let it boil for a little more time if you want an even thicker consistency, but I feel this consistency is fine. Now we'll just switch off the stove and we'll be adding in our final and our main ingredient, that is coriander. Coriander is actually one of my most favorites to be adding. It's also called dhania or kothmeer in many languages. Now once this is properly mixed, we'll be finally serving it.